Hi guys. So today let me see that how phishing attacks works. Okay. So how attackers creating this sort of phishing attacks and scamming up people's like and gaining our sensitive informations. So we'll see now practical methods. Okay. So before the get starting in this, what is phishing? So phishing is something like a malicious link. Okay, which is exactly look like a original fake page. Okay, so attacker will be using some sort of tools to create this exactly pages only of the front page. Okay, the back end of the pages will be connected to the attacker's Linux services. Okay, so let's see that how this attacker is creating this sort of services and collecting a sensitive information. So to do that, I have some tools. Okay, you want to open your browser. We have a tool called Fisher. Okay, so this is the tool. So which can help you to create a multiple phishing fake pages, so you can able to host it on anywhere, even into your Docker also. So even into Google Cloud Shells, everything will be supported from here. Okay, it's simple to run. Okay, so just copy this code. Okay, from here. So let me copy from here and open get Kali Linux and enter your credentials. Okay, so here we have our terminal, right? So here you want to open this, so you can able to see this, right? So type get clone. Okay, copy and paste this link. So let me recopy this. Okay, so it will be start cloning the pages from our GitHub repository. So wait for a moment. Okay, so now type ls. Okay, you can able to see your jetfisher file will be down. Type cd jetfisher and again ls and type sudo chmod. So why we are giving this, it's gonna give you the special permissions to execute this. So then you don't want to give again and again your username and password over here. So now you can able to see the color has been changed. And now it's simple. Type sudo, okay, and dot slash jetfisher. Wait for the installation process. It's completely depend upon your network speed. So minus little bit slow, I guess. Okay, that's right. So now you can able to see this. So here it has been completely installation has been set up over here. Okay. So now what do you want to do? So for example, I can go with Facebook or Instagram or a Microsoft. So let me check with Instagram. It's a famous application, right? So just enter over here. So here we have some more options there. Whether you want to go for the blue badge verification login page or create a fake 100 login page. Sorry, followers login page, or is auto follow login page. So it's better that if you go for the blue badge verification pages. So it's gonna have like you can able to collect your attackers. I mean your targets, email IDs, to phone numbers, and their data bits, and a lot more information from here. Okay. So let me select phone. So now let me select one for the local host. I don't want to customize. So now I generated some link, right? So I can copy this link. Okay, so let me open from my browser. See here we will be having a pages that which says blue badge verification for your Instagram. Okay, So it's exactly look like a normal page, but until if you notice I mean, the mail, IP addresses over here. So just give apply. So now it's gonna ask our informations. See, now I'm just giving some random information. Okay, so some random informations. I'm giving like something phone numbers too. Also, okay. So password also something random. If I give submit, it has been sent to the backend page. Okay, now you confirm the mail. Now I can able to enter some sort of mail informations. So okay, now entering some random passwords and you submit. So now it says that your application has been successfully submitted, and then it will be redirected to the original page. And what this people will be, as I mean, our target will be thinking, okay, so it has been redirected, so I will be getting my blue badge verification. But actually, what will be happening? You can able to see here. When I enter into this network, it's gave me the IP address. It's currently on the local host. Okay, so that's why my IP address is same IP address over here. And also, this is my mobile number and password has been visible here, and which date of birth, that information too. See, instagram.com as a Gmail. So like this, attacker can able to easily catch up to your sensitive information on using a phishing attacks. And also it's not only for this mission. Okay, so we can go for a Google account, even for TikTok, so Discord and other applications. So let me try one more of LinkedIn. Okay, 14 localhost. So if you want to change this IP address, then you want to mask your IP address using ngrok. Okay, so you can able to see it's exactly a LinkedIn page of the fake login page. Okay, here I'm gonna give some random information. So, okay, so this is what information I'm entering here, giving sign in. See now, the information has been captured, but again you can able to see it has been redirected to the original page. But here we will be having a login information. Okay, so even if you can able to detect this links, okay, if you want to change this informations, you want to use a masking the URL. So how this is for Facebook. See, we have a traditional login page and advanced polling login page. So let me give 2 and 1. See here, if you see this page, it will be exactly showing that our names and favorite information. See what is our favorite color, which is our favorite platform. So but here the link has been different, but it says that Facebook voting platform. Okay, so let me type the information. Okay, Facebook, something like this, and blue and submit. See here, it has been redirected to the voting ranks, and again here I is asking about my login access. I'm giving some random information. I'm giving login. See, it says that poll has been completed. Thank you for the successful information. But if you see here, the information has been captured. So like this, attacker can able to create a multiple fake pages for all the social media platforms to gain our sensitive information. So some people, for the extreme purposes, they will be hide this link into any images. If you just open that images, it will be executable like a malware. Okay, so that's all about a phishing attack. Thank you.